Hello, good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan. This time I have taken MCQs of class 10th. So this is literature section and here it is about the first chapter, A Letter to God. So paragraph has been given. The house, the only house in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. And then questions are here based on the details of the location of the house. How can it best be described? So your answer will be solitary. Solitary means place that is peaceful, that is full of greenery, and mentally anyone can be peaceful and totally all alone there. So the field of corn dotted with flowers means that the flowers were scattered across there. So question 33, you have to select the option. So here is option D, where it has been paired right, like 5 is paired with D. Downpour means really heavy rain, and then 4 is paired with B. Torrential rain means very heavy rain, and then drizzle means light rain, and then thunder means 2 will be 8. E is a violent, and heavy rain is really heavy rain. So now coming to this, yes, here A Letter to God chapter is here, and your question is based on the given extract. What is Lencho not likely to think while looking at the field? So your answer will be, I wish we have enough food to eat after this harvest. So not thinking, what likely to think while looking at the field. So here option D. Which quote supports the idea in the given extract? Farming is a profession of hope. So here I would rather to be my farm than be emperor of the world. Farming looks mighty easy when you applaud those two. Farming is a profession of hope. This quote is there because he was hoping rain. Then 10th May dawned bright and clear. So this chapter is from about Nelson Mandela, A Walk to Freedom. The author was surrounded by your answer will be world leaders. The ceremony took place on here 10th May. Author was about to become the president, and now here who is I in this story? So I is here Nelson Mandela, and 39 means beside means surrounded. Here grammar section. The notice clearly mentions that you. It means ki here strictly anything is there prohibited or strictly instructed. So this will be here must not. Since he is an introvert means not speaking clearly, like shy natured. So he has few friends. We are leaving for Mumbai tomorrow because it is talking about tomorrow. So which option has the correct change of following two reported speech? You have to select the option what his name was, option A. Option B is wrong because Ravi asked the boy what was his name. This is incorrect because what after what subject comes and Ravi inquires, it will not be there. So you have to write the choose the correct option. Which option has the correct change of the following to reported speech? So here correct answer will be he said that he had told the clerk to mail the letter 2 days before. So D option. The monkey was climbing the tree. Here is a letter, and the is a letter to the editor. So your questions are here. Select the option with relevant topics that Aryan should select for this letter. So option will be here option D. Here, because option D, one means the newspaper's name will be there, and then Aryan's address is there, and then expected date is there. So you have to select the option D. Select the appropriate subject for the letter. So subject will be inconvenience faced by commuters on potholes roads. Which option should Aryan select to elaborate? Your option will be here option D, all of the above. 28, in 28 option A will be, in 29 your option will be C, 30 your option will be D. So this is all about the MCQs. Keep practice. I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.